Hey, welcome back to Fab Fun. My name's Logan, and today we're going to be working on a wooden chainsaw scabbard to put on the carryall so the 572 XP has a little home when it's in transport. Stay tuned. We're going to be using some 7/16 OSB, just having a layer, and then 2 thin strips at each side, well, at each end, I guess, and then another layer of 7/16 OSB. It's similar to how I've made my other chainsaw scabbards, and they seem to work fairly well. We're going to measure this and cut it. The bar is about 27 inches long. It's supposed to be a 28-inch bar, but it's 27 inches long. I don't have to cover the whole thing. I think I'm going to go about 20 inches. And make it about 7 inches wide because I need about 5 inches of width for the bar inside. So we'll leave about an inch, inch and a half on either side. I could just cut this in half and it would probably work fairly well. Cut it at 20 inches, rip it down the middle, and then use the rest of it to create the layers. Let's see how it works out. Grab my square. This does not have to be perfect. We are not trying to enter in some kind of contest on how pretty we can make it. This is 15 inches wide and is fairly square. Well, I was going to say it's fairly square, but it isn't. It's not the same width all the way down, but it'll work for our purposes. So, at 15 inches, we are looking at 7.5 to center. About 20 inches down. Make several marks here, and then we'll use a square to get a straight line. Probably need a better marker. Reminds me of watching New Yankee Workshop or This Old House or whatever on KET or PBS or whatever it was back when I was a kid. I just think that was incredibly boring. Here I want to watch cartoons and my dad's watching how to make some kind of wood thing. But now it's a little bit more interesting for me. Also, for light duty applications where you need some clamping force, I really like these. Oh, I'm in my own way. So we can get a little bit more space here. There we go. Well, this isn't going to be the prettiest one I've ever made. Not even the same width. Brutal. We're gonna have to straighten this edge up a little bit. I've got to have them match a little bit closer than that. Should be a little bit better. It's not too bad. Oh yeah. Should put some clean edges out there. There is no clean edge on this one. Okay. Well guys, the color doesn't match perfectly, but hey, it works. We've got the saw mounted. I need to come up with something like a bigger toolbox that I can mount in that receiver. That's a 2-inch square receiver, just like a trailer hitch. I get all the gas cans and everything up off of this so I can throw wood in here when I want to. And just keep things tidy up out of the way. Need to build something for that. I might do that here in just a little bit, but I'm gonna end this video now because that is complete on the chainsaw Scabbard. I'll try to scrounge up some materials for the next project. And guys, if you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Have fun.